Well guys, as the title said, it is all about the coronavirus. And as you all know, coronavirus also reached our land. Yesterday we had, I believe, 25 people that had a virus that was detected on. And in Germany and the Germany border, there are some cases also. So this package comes from Germany. So what do we have to do with it? Have to be careful. Okay, we will be careful. First of all, I hope nothing will come flying off of this package, but in case that it will, use a mask, and of course some gloves. And we will open it very carefully, because there are no instructions whatsoever what to do in a case like this. So we can't be careful enough. This should be some LED lamps that we got from Germany, Amazon.de. Very well packaged. Okay, here we have them. I should unpack it all and get all of it out of those packages that could be infected with the virus. Jesus, how are we going to do that? There are 10 lamps. Okay, this is number 1. This way it's 3. Perhaps I'll do this way. No, I can better do it this way here. Here I see what I am doing. So probably I'm going to speed up the video so you won't have to see all those. Oh, it's halfway open, it's damaged. It is damaged, as you can see. The package is already damaged. Oops. Okay, it fell on the rug, so nothing happened. There's already one out of a package. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. So here is an empty package, completely damaged. Completely damaged. It was already out of it. Five, you're halfway, guys. I'm getting quite handy at this point. Okay. And when we are done with that, we are going to dispose of the package, and we should be safe. At least I hope so. Man. What a work. Here we are. 3 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, there's one too much. That's a present. A present. I've got one too much. As I believe. Four, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, one too much. Not bad. Hope it works. Hope they all are okay. Jesus, man. What a package. Now we are going to dispose of these packages. Put all back in it. I'm going to put this away. So, that was that. Now we can get rid of these things. And here we have them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And now we can go to install them. Follow me. So this is the amount of light we have with those LEDs. I believe they are only see 4 watts, 3 times 4 watts, there's 12 watts here. And yeah, those LEDs don't do their work like it should. So it is. I don't know if it comes how it comes on camera, but it is too little light. It doesn't do the job right. So we are going to replace them. I'm going to try this one here first. Okay, take it off and place a new one. See what the difference is. Wow, that's a whole lot of difference. Whew. That seems to be a lot of fun. Second one. Very difficult to replace. Jesus, man. That's not an easy one. Okay. Wow. This really does the job. That really does do the job. Oh, oh, oh. What a difference. What a difference this is. 2 more to go. First, take it off. Remove the spider webs. Okay. Okay. Next one. This one is going to shine right into my eyes. So, oh, it really is the difference, indeed. And then the last one on the Quetzalcoatl from the Incas. To take it down just to see where the pins will go. Jesus, I don't see anything with those glasses. Put them off. That's better. Still difficult to find the holes. Ah, here we have it. So, go up to Quetzalcoatl. Ah, that's something else, huh? That really is something else. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Move this away. Whoa. That really is a difference. Could be better, but it already is a whole lot better. Okay, that's for this place here.
Okay.
So guys, we are going to change the LEDs here in this corner now, and we're going to do the video trick. So this is again a wrap for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Please, if you do, please subscribe and leave a comment if you have something to ask. I will always reply. So, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.